Welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to leverage an existing spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and click on New App. We'll give it a name. And we'll choose Existing Template. And then let's go ahead and find that file. And here's the path to that file. And let's go ahead and click on Create. So just like before, when you created an app and you were using a brand new spreadsheet, you'll still go through the same steps. You'll go through and identify the objects, the fields, you go through the mapping, and then your user experience through the workflow engine. But you can see here, our starting point is the workbook that we started with all the tabs that were in it. And it can be in any layout. You can have formulas. So let's go ahead and take a look at how you would map on top of this. So let's create a new map together. And you can see it's going to take the object that we selected and the sheet name. So it says opportunity on input. And then just take the fields that you want to map and map it exactly on top of your existing format. So if we wanted to take, let's say, the opportunity name, I just drag it like this. And you can see our name has now been mapped. And you can change back to your existing format. You can call this whatever you would like. So if it would just, but our field now will come here. And I can bring back the existing format. So you're going to do this for all your fields. So let's just do one more together. Let's say this one right here. It will take the color that's in the display options, so you can always change this. But if I wanted to just jump back to the original formatting, you can just use the format paint. And by default, everything's going to be bidirectional. So if you wanted this to retrieve data from Salesforce and save things back, you need both these boxes checked. And then let's take a look at a formula. So this is an Excel formula. And let's say we want to take the results of this formula and save it back to a field in Salesforce. So I'm just going to clear this out. And this is building analytics. So let's go ahead and select this. I have it right here. And I am going to say I want this to be save only. So let's go ahead and map this. And let's say we actually don't want a field label. The field label is right here for us. And I will uncheck this display fields. So what this is allowing me to now do is not retrieve information from Salesforce. So if you made it display as well, it's going to override your formula. If you say save, then this formula will always process and it will save back the results. So now I've inputted our formula. And you could see it references, the location, what that formula is referencing. And now this information will calculate just as it would normally, and then the results of this formula will save back. So in this video, we took a look at taking an existing spreadsheet, starting from there, formatting on top of it, and also looking at a save only field, leveraging an Excel formula. Thanks for watching today's video.